Have you ever wondered why some leaders just have it all together, while others just struggle their butt off to get somewhere in life? Hi, I'm Petreline from xPlosiveminds. Peak performance coaching is for any high-level individual who wants to take their performance to the next level. A person that needs to take their team to the next level. When you get to a point where you can focus on what it is that you need to deliver, you can elevate your performance. I've worked with international business leaders, entrepreneurs, Olympic athletes, executives and sports coaches. Over 70% of people that invest in their personal growth and development increase their performance on a personal level. I really help my clients to see what is inside of them that they cannot see yet.